Do you think your penis is too small to arouse a woman? Do you feel embarrassed, uncomfortable or scared during sex because your penis is not big? Worry no more. Affordable penis enlargement. Simply purchase the Penis Enlargement Bible, an affordable e-book created by sex educator John Collins. From the Bible blog on penis enlargement, How to Make Your Penis Bigger, you can understand that e-books are ideal for men who want firmer erections. It is also recommended for those who want to prevent premature ejaculation. What does the ebook offer? From our review of the Penis Enlargement Bible, we know the benefits of the guide. Each chapter of this male enhancement guide contains several helpful sections. Increase. Each section will show you how to increase your penis length and girth naturally. 94-page ebook offers only natural ways to desired penis size. You can usually increase your penis size by 2 to 4 inches within 2 months. This protects you from dangerous surgeries, taking dangerous medications, and other dangerous methods. This is because this guide contains only the actual experiences of its author, John Collins. It provides users with an ideal solution to solve all penis-related problems. Effective techniques described in guide provide men with longer, stronger, more powerful penis. Why create a Bible on penis enlargement? The author of the ebook, John Collins, is a sex educator by profession. He tried many penis enlargement techniques but could not make his penis bigger. This personal experience helped me find a natural and safe way to enlarge my penis. As a result, the Bible of Penis Enlargement was born. In this guide to male enhancement, Collins adds some simple workouts and healthy supplements to his personal experience. Ebook content. John Collins has created a 7-chapter ebook. Each chapter has several sections. The authors recommend effective training sessions and healthy foods in these sections. Help users enlarge their penis naturally. This guide provides many helpful tips for users to enlarge their penis. The ebook also guides users on how to achieve more sensual and firm erections. It also helps users increase ejaculation volume. The guide is rich in organic herbal medicines and nutritional supplements. This helps users get the nutrients they need to increase penis size.